Hi, my name is Julian Vasquez with Altera Home Loans, and today I want to talk to you about the importance of having the money that you need to purchase a home inside of a financial institution. So we get this a lot. Clients come to us and they have a lot of cash money stashed away. They have a lot of cash money stashed away in secret places or at home for whatever reason. So that presents a challenge. Lenders have to verify where the funds are coming from when somebody is buying a house. We're monitored by both federal and state regulators and laws, which force us to have to document where the monies are coming from that somebody is using to purchase a home. Therefore, it is extremely important for any monies that you have available, which you're going to use towards the purchase of a home, to be held in a financial institution. Really important. The last 60 days before you buy your home, lenders are going to be going through your bank statements. They're going to be going through all of your account statements that you plan on using for the purchase of the home to see what kind of deposits have come in recently. If they see large deposits, and people ask me, what is a large deposit? It depends, but on average, it's about a 1% of the sales price of your home, on average. Some lenders might be a little stricter and only allow $500 or $1,000 and consider anything above that a large deposit. So my advice is, if you have money stashed away in a secret place, take it out, start putting it in your bank account, so that when it does come time for you to apply for a home, that money will be seasoned, is the term that we use in the industry, to approve or accept any kinds of funds that are in your bank accounts. Now, if your funds are already in a bank account or an investment account, for example, in your 401k, then you don't need to worry about it. All that we're going to have to do is make sure that we have documentation, the trail documentation, showing that the money came from this account over to that account. Another big thing that we see is family members wanting to help another family member purchase a home, and therefore they're going to give them money. They're going to gift them money. Okay? If that is the case, that money cannot be transferred in cash. It can't be like, here's $10,000 in cash, go put it in your bank so you can go buy a house. No, it doesn't work that way. That money has to be trailed. It has to be sourced. It has to be documented. Therefore, the funds from that family member must be transferred directly to the bank account of the person or the family that's buying that house, or they have to write a check so that the person buying the house can go and deposit it in their bank account. That way we can see, okay, the money came from Mary Jane. Mary Jane shows proof that the funds actually came from her account and nowhere else. And we're also going to need a gift letter. A gift letter is extremely important. Why? The gift letter will say that whoever gave that gift gave it to him without any expectation of a refund or a return of that money, verifying that it's not a loan that needs to be repaid. So one thing that can happen is to borrow money from one place to apply to borrow even more money from a different place. So borrowed money is not an acceptable source of down payment or closing cost. Therefore, you cannot go and take out loans at your bank. You cannot go out and take cash out of your credit card and drop it in your bank account shortly before you buy a home. Now, if you do those things and that money sits in your bank account for over 60 days, then it becomes acceptable, okay? Because lenders, like I said, are only going to go back 60 days to verify what kind of activity has been recently done in your bank account and how you arrived at having the amount of money that you have currently in the bank. So avoid large deposits at all costs during the last 60 days before you buy a home. And if you are going to deposit large sums of money, ask your loan officer before you do so. We'd be delighted to be of service in helping you navigate through all of this. So give us a shout. We're always here to help.